Hi, my name's Andrew Zanowski and I'm a senior trainer at LOBO Systems. I'm going to go through an inspection.
Before we start to use the equipment, there is a safety check or inspection to carry out as well. This consists of 6 things that we need to do. So, no particular order, starting with your air bolt. Just check the air bolt's not bent and the thread is free from damage as well. We have the compression springs on all the clamps too. We're just checking that they're in good working order, holding that floating plate up there. Height adjustment pin, we're just checking that the pin isn't damaged, so it's not bent or got any large dents in it or anything like that. Spring, that's in good working order too. Make sure that flex across. Thumb screws, we're just checking that again, thread is in good working order and it's not bent. Welding, top and bottom of the clamps, just check for any cracking in the welds, and there's also the welding around the bottom of the leg too. And then your last one is just general condition. There's no large dents in your equipment, various corrosion or any damage.